What's up everybody? In this video I will show you if you have attached your Telegram wallet with the XMPire application how you can make the transactions in it. So for that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go to the airdrop section on the top right corner. Just click on it and it will show you the airdrop section. In the airdrop section all you have to do is to go and make the transaction. So once you click on it, all you have to do is to open your Telegram wallet after it. So for replenishing your wallet, you need to have zero point 0.5 ton at least in your wallet for Telegram. So if you have that, all you have to do is to go through three different options. One is bank transfer, second one is P2P, and the third one is by just sending your crypto to your wallet. For the first method, you have to tap on Add Crypto option, select the bank transfer in it, and then the asset type that could be Tone coin, then go and press Continue. Select the Tone as the coin, and in the currency, select your dedicated currency. Then write the amount of the Tone you want to send, and after that, all you have to do is to give your information about your first name, your last name, your phone number, your address, and even you need to give your personal verification using your identification card or your passport. So this method involves the password as well. So for replenishing your wallet using the second option, you have to go with the P2P market. In the P2P market, go and press on get started. So here what you have to do is to go to the buy option, select the seller you feel comfortable with the right requirements, and then go enter your details, your first name, your last name, your phone number. But in this method, the change is that you don't have to provide your passport number. So that is it for the second method. For the third method for replenishing your XMPire wallet, what you can do is to go to the Tone space, and in the Tone space select Tone coin. So in the Tone coin, you need to copy the deposit address so that way you can send it to the XMPire wallet. Now what you have to do is go back to the XMPire wallet, open up your XMPire and go to the three lines on the top right corner and then go to the airdrop section. So in the airdrop section, go to the Tone make a transaction. After that, you will be redirected to the XMPire wallet. In the wallet, all you have to do is to confirm the payment that we made earlier in the Telegram wallet. So that is how you can make the transactions in the XMPire wallet. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.